So National First Generation College Day is it's a joint effort between the Council for Opportunity and Education and the NASPA Center for First Generation College Students. And it's just a day to celebrate first generation college students. A lot of students don't even realize that they're first generation or that there's a name for who they are and what their experience is. And our definition is a student where neither parent has achieved or received a bachelor's degree. So just like any student, there's a ton of resources on campus, but then there's other programs like TRIO programs. TRIO also houses McNair Scholars and a number of different programs under them. In the last few years, we've put together a couple of link programs where students can come back a few days early and go through some programming specifically dedicated to them. This year we had Generation Falcon, which was sponsored by the Officer Residence Life. We had the Multicultural Summer Link, and TRIO had a program that brought back a lot of students, most of whom were first generation college students. And so NASPA and Co. are trying to bring some education to that and provide support and just celebrate those students who are the first in their family to attend college.